Jerry, and this is plowing around.
To explain to the fine people of the YouTubes why you're doing this and what you're doing.
I don't know. The last guy that rode this thing decided to rip it around the yard with the gas off. So
I wonder who would do that.
I don't know, but I don't think I can get to that freaking screw without tearing a bunch of crap apart, and I don't want to do all that.
Well, I would lean over and
You talking about that screw right in the back of that hole up in there? You know, if you had a 1/4-inch ratchet and I don't know, maybe a screwdriver bit, you probably get up in there real nice and good like.
Ned's lumpy body's in the way.
Oh, really? Really?
Well,
fuck you, man.
I think if I had a longer one of these, it'd work. Let me get a longer one of those.
Longer one of
I
those.
think if you weren't so terrible at life.
Whatever, dude. What up?
He's still mad about the titty pocket for beer.
That is pretty impressive.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Brought to you by Waffle House
Wow.
and Goodwill.
The awful waffle.
I got this high quality tool right here. Look at that.
You
You ain't never seen one that long, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's leaking freaking fuel everywhere.
Oh, smell it, Jerry. It smells terrible.
I hope don't
It'll
catch-
do that.
Amazing at the same time.
I hope it don't catch on fire. That would suck. Because, you know, we let it cool off for a reasonable amount of time. Oh, look at that crusty, dirty, filthy, rotten carburetor. That's what's wrong with it. It's still got all that shit in it. Let's go dump this on the weeds.
Or in my beer. you know,
Tombstone.
either way. Or your beer, I'm pretty sure.
That's my beer.
Yeah.
See, this is good old-fashioned weed killer.
That's how you kill the weeds. It's cheap.
Yeah, it's like $2.30 a gallon. Oh, Jared, that's definitely the problem. Look, it's gotten worse since last time we did this.
Oh.
So I'm gonna have to take me a screwdriver. I can't believe this piece of shit ain't red.
Do you find people know why this thing ran? Let me show you. Right there. Right there.
What's it say on it? Made in Japan?
Japan. You get you one of them Chinesium dirt bikes, you're gonna have a bad time.
Say that now. Until we got some Chinese dirt bikes out there.
We got this other Chinesium, or this other Japanesium dirt bike, and this feller, he drove through a barbed wire fence. And let me tell you, that's not good. It doesn't work out too good. But you see that minty repair right there? Right there. We just filled it up with a little bit of aluminum, you know, with a little bubble gum, ground it down, re-spoked her, mint.
That is ridiculous.
What?
The amount of shit, yeah, just
I
own it.
didn't realize it was this bad. It honestly, it should probably go in the ultrasonic cleaner for a while.
Yeah, we ain't got time for that.
Oh, you got a carb cleaner, it'll be
So,
okay.
word to the wise, don't run the TTR out of gas or you're gonna have a bad time.
Yeah, it is made in Japan, but it's got limits.
Yeah, it sat in the yard for like a year.
Yeah. Another situation where this fine gentleman, which will remain unnamed because I don't know his name, but he had this beautiful moto just kind of laying around and he wouldn't ride it because he couldn't ride it. It needed what we call petcock.
Oh, petcock.
You know how much petcocks are?
They're like
That
30
thing was like 20 bucks. And we put it on, put gas in it.
I think it's
Brad.
the primary jet that's clogged up, which is this guy. Yeah, look at that little piece of crap it's got in it. See?
Where did you pull said jet from so that the nice people of YouTube know?
The carburetor. That's why it would idle, but it ran like shit.
But you need to show them. Where?
Right,
Also need to
right
show
in this aisle.
Up in that aisle.
You need to show them the proper method for cleaning one out, too.
With your mouth.
Because there's nothing better for you. than
Jerry does lots of good things with his
6-month-old
mouth.
gasoline.
Yeah, well, it's not 6 months old.
No, we just put it in, guy. You think we don't
and then
rip
you
all
hold
the time?
You hold it up to the sunlight, and you can see that most of the crap is out of it.
And
So
you
then you
look
put it
directly at
back
the
in.
sun, correct?
Here's a
Aren't
tech
you
tip for you.
Supposed to stare
Shut up,
intently.
Ned.
That
Here's
is
a tech tip for you. If your jets are too small and you're too cheap to buy a jet kit, just go to Harbor Freight and get some drill bits. Not a big deal. You just can't make them smaller. That sucks. Shut up, blow.
If you got a welder, you can make them smaller.
Yeah, you can weld jets.
You can.
Jerry, this thing needs fucking stable in it or something. This thing's terrible. It's fucking fun. I can't do this thing runs. Like,
Not only runs, but we hoon on it.
it was running good until I ran it out of gas.
Yeah, it do that.
So, all that corrosion's probably why it leaks gas when it sits too long.
Could be.
Guarantee it. Anyway, you take this tool here and you put a couple turns on this guy here, and now I'm gonna put it back together. I didn't clean it real good because, yeah, I really don't care. But I think it'll be all right. You gotta make sure the gas gets in there. you know. We always replace the gaskets when you do stuff like this too. Obviously, that's a new gasket. We ran down the store and got it during commercial break. So, put it on that way, like that. Let's see. That deal goes up in there. Yeah, that one goes in there. And then that goes there. And I put all these screws conveniently underneath here. And then you just screw it back together. Screw it back together. Yeah. Screw it back together. I forgot to blow some of that stuff up in it, but I think it'll be alright. You know, it can't be any worse than it was, because it ran like shit.
Very true.
So what's it gonna do, run like shit again?
True.
So we're back at square one. Yeah, after a full quarter of a lap around the house, I done ruined this thing, didn't I? That was cool. Just fix the throttle cable.
You did fix it. It's right there.
Good as new.
Yeah.
All right. So, brat machine.
First start. Alright, we're not gonna do like them ungenuine people who fix it off screen and then come back in. It's like, oh, look, it runs great. We're gonna see what really happened. Because, you know, why not?
It is quite literally not off the stand yet.
Turn the gas back on. Don't make the same mistake.
Yeah, you don't want to
twice.
make the same mistake twice.
Not the
That's
same
dumb.
day at least, because that makes you look stupid.
And that's it.
Little bike in creek. Not good idea.